Well, hi everyone, it is John, the science guy, and welcome to Science Fridays with John and How to Network. Today we have a great experiment for you to answer an amazing question. Are pinholes enough to reach your dreams? And we're going to learn a little about that. So you're going to need some water. Doesn't matter what brand it is, you'll need something to put. It could be a bowl or a measuring cup that's big enough. I have styrofoam, you can use plastic, it doesn't really matter. And you're going to need a paper clip or a pen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this paper clip, just like so. I'm going to go to the bottom of this cup, and I'm just going to prick it, just like that. I'm going to open this bottle of water, but I'm not going to drink it. I mean, you can, but I'm not going to drink it. Okay. I'm going to take the water, and I'm going to pour it into this cup. And you're going to see that it comes out very slowly. And if I was to fill this entire cup, we're not going to wait for that. But that would take a very long time for this cup to empty, wouldn't it? I'm just going to put my finger in here so we can dump it back in. So that's our first one. Second one, I'm going to take this cup and I'm going to take my trusty little paper clip and I'm going to put a pinhole there and a pinhole there. So I've got two pinholes. I'm not sure if you can see that. Great. I'm going to take my water. I'm going to take my cup. And I'm going to pour in the agua, or the water. For those of you that are Spanish, we sometimes translate. And we can see that it does come out a little faster. However, by the time this finishes, we might be to space and back or around the world. It'll take a very long time. I'm going to cover this up like so. I'm going to dump the cup back in there like that. All right. Those are pinholes. You'd be forever doing that. I'm now going to take my trusty scissor. And I'm going to cut more of a gaping hole in there, like a circle. All right. Now, what I'm going to do, because we are earth-friendly here, we're green, I don't think we wasted one drop. Pretty good. All right. I've got my cup. I've got my bottle. Probably have the hang of this by now. I'm going to take my bottle. I'm going to take my cup. I'm going to pour. And you can see that in less than 10 seconds, it emptied out. A lot better, right? But what does all this prove, other than we just poked a few pinholes and then we made a gaping hole with the scissors? In life, when you're trying to reach your dreams, if you just put a pinhole of effort forth, what are you going to get? Very simple. A pinhole of effort, ladies and gentlemen, will give you barely the ability to see a needle even moving, that you might get so discouraged that you're going to give up before you ever reach your goal. If you have a little more enthusiasm and you want to put a little more effort forward, this is what it's going to look like. So you're moving forward a little bit faster, but not quite as fast as you could. What if you put a large amount of effort forth? Again, being green friendly. By the way, you could do this with water, you could do this with wine, you could do it with alcohol. It's whatever you feel would be most comfortable for you, but just don't drink it while you're doing the experiment. Remember, we're a G-friendly channel here. So I'm going to take the water and I'm going to pour it. And as soon as I think about it, it shall become reality. You know, we become what we think about most often. Earl Nightingale said it. Thus, if you have a thought, if you have an idea, and you start to think about that thought, and take inspired action toward that thought, think about it, and it shall be your reality. Ladies and gentlemen, I am John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, and you know, if you like this video and this content, I would be so grateful if you gave us a thumbs up here on YouTube. Not only that, we would really enjoy it if you would go through and comment, and then why not subscribe, and of course, hit that bell notification icon. Why? You know why. Because you want to find other great content, and the only way that's going to happen is by you clicking on that bell notification icon, and you're going to help so many other people learn about science. But if you really want to show my team and I some love, why not go below any one of these videos and you'll see the key phrase, help keep our content free. Even though our videos are free to millions of viewers around the world, we always appreciate those that want to buy us a cup of coffee. I am John, the Science Guy, and it has been a pleasure. Thanks for joining me in my lab, and we'll see you again real soon.